No workers, no visitors, no mistakes. This is one of the most secure places in Europe, home, where billions
2010. Before a single banknote is printed, this facility verifies itself through layers of biometric. Beyond these reinforced corridors lies the most restricted zone in Europe. Only a handful of facilities on Earth are before any machine can move. Before a single note is printed, every system inside this facility must verify those. This facility represents modern automation at its highest level. Every process follows a precise sequence, designed to make the durability of a banknote depends on what you never see. A composition so controlled, it remains classified even today. Security doesn't get printed later, it is embedded at birth. Threads, watermarks and invisible markers begin signs. Drying is not about speed, it's about balance. Temperature, airflow, and tension must remain thousands. Before printing begins, every sheet is examined at a microscopic level. If even the smallest intaglio printing, the raised texture you can feel on real currency is pressed into the paper using immense force. Real banknotes are never printed in one step. Each color is applied in layers, aligned with microscopic precision. At this stage, automation takes full control. Each unit is processed with identical precision, ensuring uniform parallel. These patterns aren't decorative, they're mathematical. Microtext and guilloche designs are hyperlax. Some security features don't stay still. Color-shifting inks react to light and angle, changing a prone style. Holograms and transparent windows add a layer of security you can see instantly. They combine light, depth. Consistency is maintained through automated inspection. Every unit is measured against predefined standards. Every banknote carries a unique identity. Serial numbers and invisible inks allow tracking, authentication. At full speed, artificial intelligence inspects every note. If a flaw appears, the system reacts instantly. If a note fails inspection, it never leaves the system. Rejected currency is destroyed immediately, then no borrows. Only flawless notes make it this far. Here, they are counted, aligned and sealed with absolute. Once approved, currency never moves freely. It enters vault levels protected by automated secure leaves the vault. When currency leaves the vault, it does not travel alone. Every movement is tracked, encrypted, and protected. Before new money enters circulation, it must pass highest level of verification. Every bundle is scanned. Once verified, newly produced currency is transferred into the central vault. Here, every unit is locked watching. Access to national currency reserves is protected by multiple layers of biometric security. No single person. Protection does not end with steel and locks. An artificial intelligence system monitors the vault every second of every day. New currency is never released at random. Every decision is based on data, economic balance, and long-term stability. Once approved for circulation, currency is distributed with precision. Every region receives exactly what it needs. When currency leaves the vault, security follows every step. Routes are encrypted, and vehicles are reported. Once approved and transported, currency is delivered to regional banking hubs. Here, responsibility officially transfers from the EPIS. As production moves forward, each stage connects seamlessly to the next. Automation ensures that tellers.
Before the next operation begins, each unit is precisely aligned. Automated positioning systems crashers. At this stage, automation reaches peak performance. Every movement is synchronized, allowing large volume. Throughout production, systems continuously monitor performance. Feedback loops allow adjustments to happen automatically. To maintain efficiency, automated systems continuously balance the flow of production. Speed and spacing are adjusted. Environmental conditions are essential for consistent production. Automated climate systems regulate airflow and balance conditions. Automated handling systems ensure that transitions between production stages are seamless. Each transfer is performed cards. Before moving forward, each unit undergoes final calibration. These precise adjustments ensure that each unit meets required specifications before advancing. Automated checks verify accuracy without interrupting the flow. As production reaches later stages, the system shifts into a stabilized mode. Controlled movement and spacing help prepare. As the process approaches its final stages, preparation becomes essential. Spacings. Before the process concludes, a final confirmation step ensures consistency.
Once processing is complete, finished units are transferred with the same level of precision. Before packaging begins, final alignment ensures consistency. With alignment complete, the automated packaging phase begins. Each unit enters a controlled environment form. Packaging is performed with the same precision as every stage before it. Automated systems handle each unit packets. After packaging, automated checks confirm consistency. Each seal is verified. Automated flow systems ensure smooth spacing, balanced movement, and uninterrupted continuity as per Darfix. In this phase, individual packages are organized into consistent groups. Automated counting and banglix. Once batches are formed, they move together toward the final stage. Automated transfer systems. Before the process concludes, final handling preparations. Automation take place. In the final verification stage, the system confirms smooth flow and alignment. Every group release are checks complete. With all checks complete, the system releases each group in a controlled sequence. At the end of the line, finished groups are collected and staged. Automation ensures precise placement, cleeds with orthmer ordals. After staging, the system moves into a holding phase. With operations complete, the system enters a standby state. Machines remain ready, conditions remains at rest. Even at rest, the system remains aware. Status monitoring continues quietly, ensuring volition. During standby, automated systems quietly verify their own condition. Self-check routines Ipatruban even while inactive. Even while inactive, the facility continues to manage energy efficiently. Systems with the cycle complete, the system remains ready, and the facility stands prepared to begin again when required.
After each cycle, the system reviews its own performance. Operational data is recorded and organized. Each completed cycle feeds the system with knowledge. Patterns are analyzed, adjustments are calculated and surliers. Movement within the system is deliberate and controlled. Every transition is planned, every pathrace, every movement inside the facility is mirrored in a virtual environment. This digital twin allows the system to test this. The system continuously balances power, directing electricity where it is needed most, reducing waste, and mainsic to stenkits. Efficiency continues beyond production. Resources are guided back into the system. Inside automated environments, air quality is constantly observed. Temperature, humidity, and circulation is not only about accuracy, but about timing. Across the facility, every movement follows a shared rhythm. Movement inside the facility is carefully choreographed. Automated transport systems ensure materials reach leaders. Before leaving the facility, every unit is staged, verified, and prepared for dispatch. At the boundary of the facility, production hands off to logistics. Distribution is governed by timing. Each movement is coordinated to avoid delay and maintain steady flow. Visibility does not require intrusion. Movement is observed through signals, confirmations, and timings. Continuity is designed, not assumed. Resilience here is quiet, besturnings. Performance improves over time. Patterns are observed, outcomes are refined and processors. Growth is built into the design. Each module operates independently, yet integrates seamlessly. While the system is standardized, it is never rigid. Designs adapt to regional needs. Efficiency is not about speed alone. It is about balance between resources. Behind every automated process is a simple purpose: to deliver consistency, reliability for us. This is not a vision of tomorrow. It is a system designed for longevity.